Meaning of flaw.
flaw,
Flaw.
flaw,
Flaw. A flaw is a defect or imperfection in something. It refers to a weakness or fault that compromises the quality or reliability of a product, service, process, or system. Flaws can occur in various forms, such as design flaws, manufacturing flaws, software flaws, and human errors. When left unaddressed, flaws can cause serious problems and adversely affect the intended functionality, safety, and performance of the affected object. For instance, a flaw in an aircraft engine could lead to a catastrophic failure, putting the lives of passengers and crew at risk.